Hello everyone, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. As you can see right now, this is a video I'm doing. This is CPU installation for anyone who actually wants to know. Now, this is an AMD A4 400 series APU from AMD. I'm going to show you how to install it correctly. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So thank you. There we go. Right, so what you do is, let me show you, where you see this little triangle here, right, it correlates to something on the motherboard. Now it correlates to the socket. Now only goes in one way, it'll only go in this way, but with AMD you've got to be very careful, because as you can see, it's got loads of little pins. Now if you bend one, you can try and fix it, but I don't recommend trying to do that, because obviously not on the CPU. Maybe motherboard would be a lot easier to do, but here we go. Right, all you do is this goes in like that, then there's a retention arm just by here, and all you do is like that. Done. That's it. That is it. Now as you can see, it's in, it's not gonna budge at all. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. This is CPU installation. My new series is called Back to Basics. Next video will be installing a motherboard into a case. That will be the next video I will be doing. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for further videos, because there's going to be a few of them. I'm going to do a couple. I'm going to do power supply installation, hard drive installation, stuff like that. So then we're going to do some case fan installations. We're going to do CPU cooler installation. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Facebook link will be added to the description. Thank you for watching. This is Welshie out.